Gentlemen, again, I want to show you why I decided to place this trade. Let me show you. If you look at the top, it means there was a rejection in further buying. So this was resembling a support on the downward movement. And then you can see here, there was also a rejection on buying again. Yes. And then we can check to the left side. We can see here, this is the exact point or exact zone where rejection was also done. So I entered these trades basing on these rejections at the left side. Others can call them resistance and support, but I always like to say they are rejections. So my anticipation is very simple. As you can see here, there are points of rejection here, but if it manages to move from this line, then the final destination will be around this area. So I always use the turning points like these ones. If you look at this, you can see this candlestick, the hammer candlestick. This was rejected and the board was at the top, which was signaling a buy. So if I see these points, I can say, well done. And if you look at this one, the board was at the bottom and it sold. Then there was a mixture of patterns here. If you check all the turning points, let me move on to this area. Let me move on to the left side. If you look at the turning points, you can see that these candlesticks, they have the hammers, all these ones. This is the same pattern that we are seeing here. Rejection here, sell. Rejection here, sell. And it sold. Rejection here, they bought. Rejection here, they bought. So, rejection here, and they bought. This is how I make my own signals. It's very simple. You can see now only $7 capital. I have $34 profit. 35 now. This is my account. This is my name. And this is your account. So guys, are you making money or it's a long story? If it is a long story, come to my inbox. I can help you for free. So guys, those without account, go to the description section of this video. Open your other account. There's a link there. There are some steps on how to open an account. Like and share the videos. Comment the videos so that I can know what you want. And then click the notification button so that you won't miss my future videos. Thank you very much. Good time, good day. I am Iron Man from Iron Man Forex. Goodbye.